Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and play Free Fire on a PC or a laptop so you can enjoy smoother gameplay on a bigger screen. So Free Fire is a mobile game, so you need an Android emulator. Popular ones like BlueStacks, LD Player or GameLoop. Head to their official website and download the installer. You can use any browser you want and simply go to BlueStacks, LD Player or GameLoop official website to download the official app in your PC or laptop. Once the downloaded file, open the file and follow the setup instruction. Once installed, launch the emulator. Inside the emulator, open the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. You have to simply search for Garena Free Fire. It is as same as you search in mobile phone. Then simply click on install and wait for the game to download and set up. Make sure you have enough storage and a good internet connection so you can download the game faster and seamlessly. Open the game and adjust the key mapping to your liking so you can control movements, aims and shooting with your keyboard and mouse, and you can be a pro in the Free Fire emulator C without any delay. And that's how you can download Free Fire on your PC or laptop, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your squad. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.